utilizing the emissions hose right now. This emissions hose, basically what it does is it's supposed to take your exhaust and turn it into vapor. Well, we need that in Canada and in California. So basically it runs off the bottom of here, and this is just a vacuum. So you run your hose just underneath here and put it up here. Now, there's kind of a little bit of an issue with the melting over the top of the motor. So when you do put your line on, I want you to go up high with your line and zip tie it to the frame here. That way the motor won't melt through it again. And then this part here goes around to the back of your air box. Your air box is right here, and it goes to the, there's a plug on the bottom, and this hose goes into that. So we'll go to the other side just so I can show you. And you'll see on your air box right here, there's a tab right here. So that hose would come around, just be pushed onto the air box, and that's it. Now this line doesn't carry any sort of fuel or anything like that. It's just an air vent hose. So it's not gonna, there's not gonna be any dangerous liquids or anything that leak down on your engine, anything like that. Again, it's just an air vent hose. But again, I want you to make sure that you zip tie it up here on the frame so that you don't have the same issue where it melts across the motor. All right, and that's it.